हे हाय एवरीवन। सो फाइनली आप 12th में आ गए। अब वही रिश्तेदारों का फेवरेट सवाल, आगे क्या प्लान है? अरे डोंट वरी, मैं ये सवाल आपसे नहीं पूछ रहा, हाँ, पर शायद जवाब फिगर आउट करने में हेल्प कर दूं। देयर आर सो मेनी ऑप्शंस आउट देयर, जैसे इंजीनियरिंग, मेडिकल, डिजाइन, बिजनेस और इवन स्टडीइंग अब्रॉड, and it's easy to get confused. In today's video, I'll help you understand which courses are in high demand now and in the coming years, which countries are the best for your field, the short-term and long-term benefits of choosing the right path, and most importantly, how the right guidance can make your journey smooth and successful. Let's start with the courses. It's crucial to know which courses are future-proof. Let's start engineering and computer science. Still highly demanded, especially in AI, robotics, data science, and cybersecurity. The engineering industry alone is projected to create over 400 million jobs by 2031 in the US, with a 24% annual growth rate and a market value of $9.3 trillion by 2030. The demand isn't slowing down anytime soon. Business and management, like finance, marketing, and entrepreneurship, continue to dominate global demand. By 2030, there will be over 78 million new MBA-related jobs, and the industry is expected to grow by 17% annually. That's a market worth $12 trillion worldwide. Digital marketing and design. The creative economy is booming. Design alone is expected to create 25 million new jobs by 2030, with a $1.8 trillion global value. And with every brand going digital, the need for smart digital marketers, UX designers, and content strategies is skyrocketing. Hospitality and tourism. This industry is back and bigger than ever. Globally, it is expected to employ 126 million people by 2030, with 10% growth rate and a market size of $6 trillion. From Dubai to Singapore to Australia, the hospitality boom is real. Computer and IT. Technology is the new literacy. By 2029, there will be 20 million IT-related jobs worldwide, with an 8.2% annual growth rate and a total market value of over $3.1 trillion. Whether it's coding, cloud computing, or cyber security, this space isn't slowing down. Remember, not every course is for everyone. Interest matters. अगर interest नहीं है तो stress, efforts और पैसा सब waste है. इसलिए career selection में correct guidance बहुत जरूरी है. Now let's talk about countries. Choosing the wrong country can affect your career and life. For example, US and Canada, best for science, tech, and research-focused students. And Germany, almost zero tuition fee for engineering, manufacturing, and renewable energy. वैसे ही Ireland, ideal for computer science, pharma, accounting, and business management. Hungary को ले लो, strong in medicine, humanities, and management degrees. Malaysia, great for affordable engineering and IT programs. Switzerland, world-class for hospitality, culinary arts, entrepreneurship, and luxury brand management. Shall we discuss some fun fact? Okay, so Switzerland pays the highest internship stipend in the world whilst you study. You can earn up to rupees 2 lakhs per month during your internship period. अब बात करते हैं benefits की. Short term, exposure to new culture, networking, language skills, और लॉन्ग टर्म पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से करियर स्टेबिलिटी, ग्लोबल एक्सपीरियंस, हायर अर्निंग पोटेंशियल एंड पर्सनल ग्रोथ. सो यू आर नॉट जस्ट गेटिंग अ डिग्री, यू आर शेपिंग योर लाइफ रोड मैप. एक कॉमन मिस्टेक जो काफी स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं, चूजिंग कोर्सेज बेस्ड ऑन पीयर प्रेशर, फ्रेंड्स और जस्ट मनी. रिजल्ट, फ्रस्ट्रेशन, स्ट्रेस and wasted time. गलत एडवाइस या इनकम्प्लीट इन्फो आपके 5 साल की मेहनत वेस्ट कर सकती है. With the right guidance, you get correct course and country, visa and scholarship strategies, internship and career planning, long-term growth and security. That is why Aliff students and parents trust us. We match your goal and interest to create a clear study plan for your education and career and help you connect with that goal. So friends, don't stay confused. If you want a smooth education journey and a strong start to your career, the correct plan is essential. A hand to guide you step by step. And yes, if you want me to personally discuss your options, drop your questions in the comments. Our Aliff team will respond and I will help you plan your next move.